Hi guys, welcome back to Ingel-Art. I'm Gretchel. Thank you for joining me here today again. Okay, well, I've been doing a few bigger canvases. It's time to do a smaller one again. And I'm gonna say something. I got my spinner out. Well, out, up. It's always underneath my table, catching dust. So I had to clean it. I haven't used my spinner, I think, in about 2 months, maybe even longer. And I can imagine people who do blooms can really think of not using a spinner for months. My plan is to just do a simple ring pour. Or should I do a straight pour? No, I'm gonna do a simple ring pour. And I'm gonna try to do a floating ribbon on top. Just like this. And then spin that out so that would be a little bigger. Yeah. A bit of gold. All right, let's do this one. Let's go. Beautiful cup. Maybe way too full. See, the ring pour I'm doing is different. I want this thin line, thick line, okay? The colors, wow. Tip. Wow, wow, wow. Isn't that just so cool? Love the brown colors again, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, this is pretty. Let's see where I want the center of that ring. I might want it all the way off. No, I don't. Fast, yeah. If I would spin it now, most of my paint, because the weight is all here, if I would spin it now, this paint would all run off. That's one of the reasons you should put the weight of the paint back in the center. Oh wow. Yeah. Don't mind, I'm not even minding the air bubbles. Take, bring that back. Love, love. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. I'm doubting if I should do a ribbon. I think this is as beautiful as it is, you know. Yeah, sorry about the air bubbles. Okay. Let's pull, stop. Let's turn and pull her all the way out. Because, yeah, well, alrighty. Let's bring that back to the center. Okay, so not sure yet if I'm gonna do anything with it, because I think it's pretty. You see how I get this round to look like it's a square part? Play with your paint, people. Yeah. I'm thinking of putting a flow extender, but then again, there should be enough paint to pull her over. So let's just do that first. Look, my ring is opened up. Let's go. Pull right over. That should be enough. Yeah, don't think I'm gonna do anything about this one. Wow, love the design on this. This is the ring, and you know, well, guys, I'm loving this design so much. Yeah, I don't want to get dirty, guys. Okay. Alright, guys, I had something planned to do on top, but I am loving the design of this one so much that I don't think I know I'm not gonna do anything to it now anymore, okay? I'm wetting the canvas, places it isn't wet yet. Looking for about the same color that's on my table. Okay. And then just leaving it drip down again. I think sometimes you really just need to play with what you have. I'm loving, I mean, this is the center of my Ringpour, my crazy Ringpour, because I was trying and didn't really work every time, but a lot of times it is, to do a small part and a thick part and a thin part and a thick part. That was trying to go to the same motion was pretty hard. I'm seeing a bit of edges here. hoping that's not going to be all the way around. Anyway, guys, change up your Ringpour, change up the way you tilt. Thank you very much for joining me here today again, okay? 20 minutes this time, by the way, not 2-3 hours, 20 minutes. Thank you so much for meeting me here. Greetings and love from the Netherlands.